Mucemanio wa muthia wa Ambunge ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya Kenya Kwanza watafanirio tariki 11 mweri-inĩ wa kana. Umuthi President William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua magitongoria mucemanio wa gatandatu thingira-inĩ wa iregi. Imwe ya agenda ya mucemanio uyu ari riendekithia ria mutatara wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023, riboti iria citukinyeire ikihutiriria ambunge aya nimaiguthaniirie kuhitukia riendekithia ria kurenga gicunji kia 3 hari micara ya aruti wira, mbeca iria cirerikana cikwerekererio guteithiriria waki wa nyumba cia raithi.
Must at all times try to align our thinking with their thinking. It is against that background that the President has invited you this morning, so that we can put our minds together and we are able to speak in one voice.
All the matters that we have sent there, whether they are legislation, whether they are names for approval, or indeed any other matter that we have sent your way, I appreciate that you have always been there to work with us so that we can ensure that we run the affairs of the Republic of Kenya together.
Muthenya wa ira kamiti ya Ambunge igie kigina nirambiririe kwamukira mawoni kuma kuri muingi. Kiama waki gikiuria thirikari itheme kuhatiriria muingi na magoti. Kamiti ino igitanywo guthie na mbere kwamukira mawoni nginya muthia wa kiumia giki.
We can have suggestions and we can persuade one another, and finally we all agree that as Democrats a good idea must always give way to a better one.
Hamwe noguo ambunge gikaro-ini giki no makinyaniirie kunyita mbaru riendekithia ria President ria kweheria thairira ya maguta na kuongerera igoti ria VAT kuma gicunji kinyanya nginya 16. Ruto ni ariga gutetera ikinya riri akiuga ararongoreria guthondeka makiria ma ciringi bilioni 50 thutha wa kuongerera igoti riri na ho guthinga mianya iria ahuri biacara amwe sector-ini ya maguta makoretwo makihuthira kwiguna o ene. Kuringana na President agihota gukinyaniria maundu maria mari thiini wa mendekithia ma mutatara wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023, bururi ni ugwithema gukomba makiria ma ciringi bilioni 633. Amwe ya ambunge kiama-ini kia Jubilee aria megwikinyetie mucemanio-ini uyu ni hamwe na mubunge wa Jubilee Sabina Chege, mubunge wa EALA Kanini Kega, hamwe na mubunge wa Elders Adan Kenan. Gwikinyia kwa mucemanio-ini uyu ari thutha wa President wa kana Uhuru Kenyatta kumahagura kuma utongoria-ini wa kiama kia Jubilee.